What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this video series, I'm finally going to be sharing myself and the Civic Type R at Time Trials Nationals in NCM Racetrack in Kentucky. Now, this is over a year later. This took place in summer of 2021. And in this video series, you're going to see me go through a bunch of unfortunate things that happened with me and the Type R. Honestly, things that really disappointed me with the Civic Type R and how I dealt with it and how it kind of manifested itself throughout the time. Special thanks to my wife for painting the roll cage. It's a beautiful red roll cage you're going to see the Civic Type R is going to have. And yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you do. A lot of you guys that watch the videos don't subscribe. Let's have some fun. So, we're in the first video of the series, and if you guys know anything about Kentucky, in the middle of the summer, it's extremely hot and fairly humid here in Kentucky. This is very South Kentucky, by the way. So, it's a very hot day, it's a very humid day, and it causes a lot of issues. Now, in this first video, I start out driving pretty normally. I know this track fairly well. I'm hyped up, I'm ready to go, I'm pretty happy. I've fixed up the car a lot. I did a lot of modifications. If you guys missed that, you can go back in the series and take a look. But I'm ready to go. I have the Fortunato 510s. I got decent tires. I got the RT660s on here. They've gone through a couple of track days already, but they're fine. They're good to go. Special thanks to Hawk for providing such awesome service. They were able to deliver overnight DTC60 front and DTC30 brake pads for the rear for this event, and without those brake pads I would not even be close to getting my desired time of 2:18, 2:19. I would be very happy. Now, the brakes were not the issue. Nothing was really the issue except for the heat, and we'll see how that manifests itself. Even with the heat though, still a ton of fun. Let's take a look. point in the lap, I think there's something wrong with my engine. I thought I either lost a boost hose, or the traction control system was acting up for some reason, even though I turned it off, or something's funky going on. There's pulling power. I wasn't sure. I have never seen the Type R act this way. On top of that, the tires were super greasy at this point. I mean, it was just unbearably just sliding around everywhere. So I thought it was time to call it quits, get back to paddock, check out what's going on with the engine, check out what's going on with the tires, figure out what's going on here, because something's not right. So let's see how we do in the second session in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Peace.